This is almost midnight in Visakhapatnam, one of the finest cities of India. Right in front of Novotel, the Taj Hotel is there, and this Taj is majestic. Not the same like the Mumbai Taj, where I have stayed 2-3 times, but this is my favorite place in Vizag. And right in front of me is the sea, and the sea is actually, it has completely gone in the darkness of the night. It has become invisible, but the waves, the sound of the waves can be audible. And this is your majestic Novotel Hotel. And this is my favorite Taj. I just had excellent dinner buffet in Taj, and I really enjoyed the food. All the varieties of non-veg and veg were there. So I had a feast today. I have almost stuffed myself, and I feel like I'm going to die in a while because too much of it. Anyway, I took some sweets also, some 5-7 varieties of sweets also. It's all very delightful in Visakhapatnam. The climate is humid, the climate is hot, and it's very suffocating along the beach areas. But in the morning, when the sea breeze will be there, the land breeze will be there. Wind will be coming from the land towards the sea, because land will be cold and sea will be warmer. So maybe this cool breeze of the morning will help me in rejuvenation, and I will come back to Delhi maybe in a day or two. I don't know, in a day or two. And then I will begin my classes, and I will start enjoying my classes and my associations with my students and my other faculties and my staffs and my members. Back to my daily grind there. Thank you. Today I have got an excellent cameraman, and the cameraman is trying to show you the sea waves which are instantly and regularly hitting the coast. And look at the sound in the night. Even though some traffic is still there in Vizag, but the sound is simply astonishing and mesmerizing for me. Someone who lives in Delhi and someone who is busy 10-12 hours in a day in a class. This is an excellent atmosphere, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है यहाँ पे, और बहुत पीसफुल है. और मैं क्या बोलूँ, Vizag is one of the most beautiful cities of India. May not be compared with Chandigarh, but yet it is a planned iron steel city. And in the morning I will show you the sea waves from the closest proximity, and I will show you the jetties which have been created in Visakhapatnam for import and export of metallurgical coal. From New South Wales, the metallurgical coal is reaching Visakhapatnam for its plant, and there is a deep water harbor, natural harbor in Visakhapatnam. So and there is a hilly area. The coastal area is hilly actually. The eastern ghats are closest to the ocean along Vizag only, along Visakhapatnam only. So I will show you the geography of Visakhapatnam tomorrow morning. Thank you for the day. This is a restaurant in the Taj, and you can fancy the food of this place. Biryani is the specialty. It's always crowded, even in the days of Corona. I could see that from 7:30 I am around this food corner, and I am finding hundreds of people thronging here and enjoying food. Come, I will show you one more kitchen mess which is there in Taj, which is Thai special and Chinese special. This is the Murg biryani which I just had, and biryani is a hot favorite in the state of Andhra Pradesh. There is some lamb, mutton, chicken, and some fish varieties. Chinese are there. And the typical South Indian food, the rasam and sambar, it is called sambar. With white rice and some pulao and veggies and the same, I mean, kind of brinjal, paneer, dal, aloo achari, kofta, and the paneer and some mixed veg kind of thing. There's a fruit basket. Even in the night, you can have pineapples, and pineapples are excellent digestive property. Already had a lot of food, so I can show here my favorite gulab jamun, and this is Queen's pudding. This is Queen's pudding. Now a lot of mithas have been removed. Here you had kabani ka mitha, which I tasted. It was really good. This is chamcham, the famous Bihari mithai, Bengali mithai is there. And this is the laddu, orange laddu. And a lot of things, a lot of salads and varieties of chicken salad, fish salad. And this is chaat. Show there. This is chaat. No one prefers chaat in this part of India. But obviously coming from Bihar, then Delhi, then flavors of Haryana and Punjab and Rajasthan, so I enjoy my chaat there. Soups are there, some breadcrumbs, some butter. Overall it was so delightful here. बहुत मज़ा आया. Coming out finally with a piece of pineapple. This is that Thai restaurant. The ambience is excellent, very cool and enjoyable. But since already I am totally filled up with food, I can't afford even a single piece extra. I am going to burst out today. Architectural design of this. Look at the classy stairs and the wooden stair hands. These are all classy work. White marble and lift system and yes, everything. Okay, table tennis was one of my fad in my college days. Especially I used to play for my hostel, not at very high level, but I used to play this very special spin service. Look, this is another spin service. So I used to spin all around. I'm near the pool area of Taj, Hotel Taj, and this is a magnificent Taj in Visakhapatnam. The spa and the gym right in front of me, and the ambience is excellent. I will suggest my Delhi friends, my all capable people, to at least once reach Visakhapatnam and enjoy the sea beaches of Visakhapatnam, and also stay in Hotel Taj for excellent food and stay and fun and frolic around. बस पलटेंगे दो बार. ओके पीछे से अच्छा लेना. One of the most wonderful stays of my life. गाना गाने का मन कर रहा है मेरा. सागर की लहरों को देखो. सागर किनारे cameraman laughing at me. सागर किनारे दिल ये पुकारे, तू जो नहीं तो मेरा कोई नहीं है। सागर किनारे। दही खाने के बाद, सुबह सुबह जूस और ठंडा लस्सी पीने के बाद गले का हालत ख़राब। खैर एनीवे, आई वाज नेवर ए ग्रेट सिंगर। एक किशोर कुमार का गाना और याद आ रहा है। कैमरा मैन ने बहुत ही घटिया रिएक्शन दिया। ऐ सागर की लहरों हम भी आते हैं ठहरो, ऐ सागर की लहरों हम भी आते हैं ठहरो। अरे गाना आए या ना आए, गाना चाहिए। Having coffee at Taj in front of the beach, Sandy Candy Beach. Arku Valley coffee, very hot coffee and very astringent taste, very hard taste, without sugar. But I have taken a lot of sugar inside in the form of sweets, sweetened yogurt, sweet lassi, muffins, fully stuffed up. धूप भी यहाँ अच्छा लग रहा है, धूप अच्छी लग रही है। On the roads of Visakhapatnam. The open ocean right in front of the ring road of Visakhapatnam. This road is a dividing line between Novotel and Taj Hotel. The weather forecast for Visakhapatnam today is that it will rain after some time. It's 2 o'clock and it's cloudy already. And I'm approaching the beach line where we will experience some of the strong waves. And maybe when the tides will be there in next 20-30 minutes. So the sea line is rising, the coastline is rising. And the waves are becoming stronger, the wind is becoming stronger. So in few minutes we are going to experience one of the most interesting and striking oceanic phenomena, that is tide combined with a strong wind and waves. Finally we have reached the beach area, and look at this rock system. This is ancient Precambrian Proterozoic sedimentary rock which has been transformed into metamorphic rock. So this is like quartzite, and this was previously the sandstone rock which has become quartzite. Okay. Now you can show, cameraman, show that particular mountainous area which is so close to the coastline. The eastern ghats are almost parallel to the coast along Visakhapatnam and Andhra Pradesh, and the beaches are stony and rocky beaches. These rocks have been removed, and the city has been constructed along the horizontal sides of the beach. But we will find so many cliff and vertical mountainous structures along the sea beach. You can see the big boat, big ship there. The harbor is on that side, and that side is also having that jetty. The import of coal, as I told you in my previous video, the import of coal from New South Wales, Australia. And show this side, people are throwing around and people are all enjoying the waves and the whole scenario. It's very cloudy here. It's going to rain after half an hour maybe. And look at these rocks. The waves have cut deep into them, and these rocks are having joints. I will show you from the. If you see these rocks, they are actually having the marine origin. They have marine origin, so they are having some small conch and primitive life into it. The fossils must be there, and all these dots which you can see, they are the limestone small chips of ancient sediments. Eastern Ghat was actually originated in a geosyncline. So this part was once geosyncline during Proterozoic. Eastern Ghats are much younger contemporaries of Aravalli range. They are almost contemporary to Aravallis. Now show the beaches. This black color is because of the rainwater which is coming into the ocean. The same drained dirty water is being thrown back by the waves. This is how the sands are so black here. This black color is not coming out of the erosion of the rocks. There must be a nala here along it. I can show you that. Come. Look, I was so true. Look at this. Look at this sewage which is coming from the city. Please, cameraman, show it. This entire sewage is coming from you can see the dark color of the sand and all the filth and the dirt of the city is simply being drained into the ocean. Still people are bathing around and basking around. Look at this mountainous structure. Look how the waves have eroded the ancient Eastern Ghats. Now we are in front of one of the cleanest part of the beach, and I will show you the formation of swells and then breakers and surfs. If you can see to that farthest distance, the traveling waves are accumulating energy almost some 50 meters away from this coastline. Look at these waves. They are general waves. The one which is coming and hitting the coast are the breakers. These are breakers. Now you can see that swell there. This swells, rises, and then look at this formation. Now this formation is your swash. So swell is that rising wave because of accumulation of energy as the friction is growing for the oscillatory wave as they travel towards the coast. You can see the formation there. This formation was amazing, which my cameraman probably missed out. I mean, just look at that. It's phenomenal. This was the biggest swell I could see. And then it became a swash, and look at the hit here. The water rising to the almost to my level. And finally we witnessed one of the powerful swells. And look at these breakers. Swells and breakers and surfs. All these three formations can be easily, you can see that side. The waves are breaking. so pleasant here. It's so exciting here, being with nature and being with some local people. Right, this is called the littoral zone between the high water tide. This is the high water tide mark, and that will be the low water tide mark. So between the high water and low tide, along the littoral zone, you have the amphibians and the burrowing animals in particular. हम लोग कुछ विशाखापट्टनम का स्पेशल चीज़ खाने वाले हैं। ये आम का स्लाइसेस है और आम के स्लाइसेस में हाँ ये क्या है?
दाना दाना
दाना। ये दाना है जिसको हम लोग धनिया कहते हैं। ये क्या है?
मैंगो
मैंगो नहीं, तेलुगु में क्या बोलेगा?
मामिडिकाय
मामलिका। मामलिका तेलुगु में आम
टमाटर मैंगो
मैंगो को बोलते हैं। ये क्या है?
टमाटर
टमाटर। और तेलुगु में क्या बोलेगा?
टमाटर
तेलुगु टमाटर। टमाटर इसे तेलुगु। और ये